What are you doing?
Cleaning a bird's nest out of my breather.
What?
Yeah, apparently a little bird built a bird's nest in my breather. Where I don't drive the truck that much and it stays parked.
Let's see if I can get a view of it down in there. Okay, there it is in front of the grill. Were you having any issues with the truck?
Well, it said I needed to service the filter or service the air system. I figured it needed a new filter after almost 100,000. I didn't know that there was a bird's nest in it. I mean, it does need a new air filter, but
Oh, that's not nearly as bad as what you're getting ready to pull out now.
no. I'm gonna have to have shop back. Pulling out a bird's nest out of my grill, out of the breather. I'm gonna try using a shop vac.
Okay, that bird certainly found the right spot.
Oh yeah, it did.
Because we're having a heck of a time getting this thing out. Did you get it done?
For the most part, I gotta drive it to get the flapper to open up then. And it'll clean out the box again. But the front, the nest is gone.
How long were you working on this?
30 minutes, maybe more. I didn't look at my watch. It was packed in there real tight.
And really far back in there.
Yep.
It was probably at least 6 inches back in there, and he was digging it out with a coat hanger and still can't reach the back of it.
Yeah, I can. I've got to the flapper.
Ah.
Where it opens up when you really give it, where it needs more air for the engine. It made it to the flapper. But I gotta see if the flapper open because it's got a few sticks and stuff in there.